And we are now leaving the car park and going downstairs. And the road is wet. No rain, but the road is wet. And we are now out of the Mount Buller, and we are now here in the rough road heading for the campground. Oh, this one. Yeah, this is a camping area, but it is closed. Yeah, it says campsite closed for repairs. Do not camp here. Thanks. Okay, we go. I believe there are more campgrounds, yeah, along this road, so we're going there. Yeah, because like what I've said, hotels are very expensive. $200 or something, 250 something dollars. And with that $250 I can buy a roof rack. And this is where I am going to sleep tonight. And there is one car that just arrived. Yeah, I also just arrived, but oh, I think they changed their mind. They are not going to stay here anymore. And let me show you outside. Yeah, there is this river, and if I'm not mistaken, there are one more camping ground up there. Good morning, guys. It is now 6:20. Yeah, it is foggy, the glass, but outside is already bright. The two guys that came here last night, yeah, they are building their tent until maybe 8 o'clock. I see them with their flashlight keep on moving. Yeah, I think they occupied the toilet. Yeah. It's covered with the tarpaulin now. Yeah, so basically they attach the tarpaulin from the back of their car to the toilet. I am just going to brush my teeth, boil some hot water, and then I'm going again. I already have the water here. You notice that black one? That's basically I burned the rice that I cooked last time, but I do not have a lighter. I don't know, I lost it. I am tempted to ask those two guys if they have lighter, but I am shy. Let's go and have a walk around here. So like I showed you yesterday that there is a river here. I noticed that the water becomes dirty. Yeah, it is not very clean anymore. Because of the rain last night. Oh, this river is actually divided from two. Yeah, there's one on that side and also coming from this side. Oh, I get wet trying to organize my hot water, but I don't have a lighter. So I think that's it for here for now. And we are going now. I still need to take this out in this setup so that it is safe, that there's no butane gas inside my car. There's actually no internet here in the area, especially in particular in that camping ground. And so yeah, I slept the whole night. I was thinking of doing my computer editing, but yeah, I prefer to sleep. And then I wake up from time to time. Oh. There are many trees being cut here. Oh, look at this. This is where I am supposed to camp yesterday, but it's closed. But yeah, those ladies, they camp over there in the fence. I want to do that last night, but I said it's better to be in the right place. Oh, the name of this place is Mansfield State Forest. So if you plan to come to Mount Buller and you don't want to spend money on expensive hotels, and you want to sleep in your car, yeah, this is the place where you can come to sleep. The name of that camping ground where the lady is Carter's Mill Camping Ground, while this one is Carter's Mills Day Visitor Area. Yeah, this is just for picnic. And the one where I came from, the name is Buttercup Camping Ground. Actually, I won't be able to check my internet this time because I am transferring the footages of my dashcam to my mobile phone. If I exit in here, yeah, it is going to disconnect from the dashcam and will stop downloading the footages. We're going to check the internet on the next stop. Oh, look at that, another dead koala. If you actually get to the other side, you see the scenic greenery, hills and mountain. Looks beautiful.
Sorry, I did a little bit of the spillage on the side.
It's alright. Thank you. This place is all-in-one, so they have this big restaurant, and they also have a coffee shop, like a bar area, and then they have a convenience store where they sell alcoholic beverages, some kinds of groceries, cold drinks, and on the other side they have some stuff for skiing, yeah, for snow. Nice. You know, because this place is near to the Mount Buller, the ski area, actually in every cars that is going to the Mount Buller required to have a tire chain. Not necessarily to put on the tire, but you must be carrying one for your safety and security. Yeah, also to avoid fine in case a police asks you for a chain, you have something to show. I am amazed with the beauty, with the scenery around here in the area of Jamison, Hauqua, and this area of Mansfield. Yeah, there's so many scenic viewing. There's so many scenic view, greenery, hill mountains full of greenery, farming of cows and sheep. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, also the area of Mount Buller included that. Yeah, amazing. And in case if you are planning to come here in the area of Mount Buller from Melbourne, it will take around 3 hours, based on what I've seen online. Can't you see I'm alone? Can't you hear the word I say? A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings. And we reached this place. I don't know if this is a city or a town. It's a city because there is a city center. Yeah, you can read it there, city center. Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore. And the speed here is just 60. Oh, there is Jimny over there. I will follow to that Jimny, and I will give him a keyhole cover. I actually have this extra. One moment. Excuse me. Yeah, I just gave it to her. That's the lady. She said it's her daughter's car. The name of the place is Binalia. It's like they said it's a rural city. Yeah, we're going to walk around. There's this big grocery coles, lots of big cars, beautiful car like that. Yeah, Wrangler Unlimited. I left the car in the 1 hour car park. It's a pre-parking for 1 hour. And we are here in one of the city here in Victoria. The name is Shepparton. And I stopped here because I saw this super cheap. They maybe have the roof rack, just like these cars having this kind of roof racks. Just look at this 599. Yeah, 390 liters. And in here 399, 360 liters. We are here still in Shepparton, in front of super cheap. I check inside, but they don't have the one roof rack for this car. I just put petrol 30.05 liters and it is 51.96.